Partly sunny with a 40% chance of rain shower. The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ottawa County in southwestern Michigan, south central Muskegon County in west central Michigan, until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles southwest of Roosevelt Park to 32 miles west of Grand Haven, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Holland, Grand Haven, Hudsonville, Zeeland, Coopersville, Ferrysburg, Fruitport, Beechwood, Jenison, Norton Shores, Spring Lake, Wright, Lamont, Drent, Grand Valley, Bauer, Jamestown, Allendale, Olive Center, Unica. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Temperature at Belle Isle is 45 degrees. This is NOAA Weather Radio. All hazards. Station